name is Megat Haris. My father's name is Megat Kamaluddin. He is businessman. My mother's name is Noriati. She is good cook. My story is Little Red Riding Hood. Little Red Riding Hood lived in the wood with her mother. One day, Little Red Riding Hood went to visit her granny. She had a nice cake in her basket. On her way, Little Red Riding Hood met a wolf. "Hello," said the wolf. "Where are you going?" "I'm going to see my grandmother. She lived in a house behind those trees." The wolf went to Granny's house and ate Granny up. He got into Granny's bed. A little later, Little Red Riding Hood reached the house. She looked at the wolf. "Granny, what big eyes you have. All the better to see you with," said the wolf. "Granny, what big ears you have. All the better to hear you with," said the wolf. "Granny, what big nose you have. All the better to smell you with," said the wolf.